Those boots are hard. Here, why don't Mommy, watch this.
Here, Daddy got it. Ed.
Daddy gave it to you, right there.
Yeah.
Put it in the basket.
Any up in the window, do you see?
Put that one in the basket. Put that one in the basket, bud. Yeah, good job.
Oh.
Getting good at finding these eggs.
You
All
put
right.
it in the basket.
Put them in the basket, bud. Here.
Mama.
Let's keep on looking. Let's go walk down this way. Are you looking? Yeah, good job. Can you reach it?
Yeah.
Oh,
There,
careful.
pick that one back up. Gentle.
Good job. All right, where else? I see several eggs.
Yeah. One sitting in your tractor. Here we go.
Put in your basket.
Good job. Where else could there be an egg? Good job.
Uh-oh.
Keep on looking.
It's all good.
Mommy will clean that up. Let's keep on looking. Should go over to your slide. See what's over there?
Go climb on your thing, bud.
Excuse me. Yay! I think you have your rain boots on. I don't know, I think that might be all, Aiden. Except for the one maybe in the front yard. Do you want to go look in the front yard real quick?